Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life, I have a Nadinenwest bag. You want to know what's in it? Stick around. Let's just get comfy here. I'm filming on the floor. I've been filming on the floor. Looks like there's a shadow. Anyways, because I am currently not staying in my own home, and so I don't have an office anymore. But Nadinenwest is $9.78. They call it their shipping fee, but you do get that back if you decide to keep at least one item. Last time I kept the cutest little sunglasses, and I feel like I kept something else, but I don't know what it was. A tank maybe? I don't know, but it's gonna be very loud when I open it, so I am sorry. I will say that you have to be very, very careful when you open this bag, because you have to ship everything that you don't keep back in it. So be careful. Alrighty, and it has like this. Oh, I ripped it off. Don't do what I did. That's the first time I've ever done that. That's okay, I'll just tape it. But it is crazy in here. Like, that's my shipping label. So you slap that back on the back of the, or over your other label, and send it on its way. And then I have like the little invoice here. Let's see. I have a little bundle here wrapped in pretty pink paper. Let's see. Looks like I might have a pair of leggings, some black ones. And they've got like a nice wide band, and it looks like they have a side pocket, so that's good. What size are they? They're Nana, and they're a 1X. Okay. Oh, they have pockets on each side. There's a pocket here, and there's a pocket over here too. Alrighty. And then I have another pair of leggings. It looks like maybe they're crop. I'm not really sure, but that is the print. And these ones are really, really soft. They feel like the LuLaRoe ones, like the really soft ones. These are by Leggings Depot. And they sent them to me. And I don't know, it just says plus size. Okay. And then in this bundle, I pulled out something in this little pink organza bag. They only do clothing and jewelry, I thought, but then I got the sunglasses last time. So, and they are really cute. I wore them yesterday. If I'm not gonna be the one driving, then I can wear the cute sunglasses, because I don't have to see to drive. But this is the little bracelet. And let's see how it comes off, if I can figure. I sit all the time, you know, with my legs behind me, and then my leg gets tired. Oh, it just opens like this. So let's just slide that on. And that's what it looks like on my wrist. What do you guys think of that? All right, so there's that. I'll set the little bag aside. Let's see what else I pull out. The rest of the stuff is not in a little baggie, but why are they sending me all these? Here's another pair of like maroon colored leggings. They're coming off redder than they are in person, but they're just a regular pair of leggings. Okay, and they're by that same Leggings Depot brand. And then, what did they do? They sent me all workout wear. That's weird. Okay, here is a little workout tank with the racer back, and it's got the stripe down the side, and it's by Love Fit by Reflex. Okay, I thought I saw some pink, but no, it was just a reflection of the pink bag. But all right, so there's that. That is so strange. Then I have some more jewelry. I don't usually keep the jewelry. I think it's a little chintzy and cheap looking. Look, you guys. Do you guys see how tangled up that is? That's just a knotted mess. The chain feels cheap anyway, so I'm just not even gonna mess with it, but it's by Marin Elena, and I'm just not gonna. Let's see, and then we have one more, and then I guess I'll try on my workout wear. I have gained weight since I've been in Tennessee, so maybe they knew I was gonna need it. Here's another little beaded bracelet. It's got this ball here. I'm sure, is that the clasp? Oh, it's magnetic. And then all the little silver beads. I think it's funny that they sent me like this, you know, rhinestones and, you know, blingy bracelet to wear with workout wear. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but there it is. All right, let's get on with the try on. The first pair of leggings I put on are the burgundy ones. They come right to about my ankle here. I just kept on my little t-shirt that I had on. I got this one from a Trend box. Let's see if I can bend you down a little. There you go. So these are the leggings, and they are the Araya 2049. So they're just a, you know, a really thin little pair of leggings. But not much to say about them. They are very soft. All right, I'm just gonna bend down here because I have my camera pointed more towards the floor. But these are the Astoria leggings, and they're $22.99. These ones are a cropped length. They feel just the same as the other ones did. The print's okay. I mean, they're just, I would wear them like around the house maybe. But I don't know. They just feel, they almost feel a little bit tight in the, like the thighs. I have bigger, my legs are bigger, but that's what they look like. And just kept on my little white t-shirt here. And the band is really small, about an inch. All right, on to the next pair of leggings. Okay, I just kept on my bra, so sorry. I don't know where like my sports bra is. I'm sure it's packed somewhere in a suitcase. The Benedetta top, this one is $30.99, and the bottoms are $24.49. So this is what the top looks like. It has the stripe down it. It fits okay. I really don't know how well it will hold up in the wash. And then these are the leggings. They have a pocket here and a pocket here. They're very itchy. And they bunch up at the bottom, which bug me. So I don't like that. And I already have like a really nice pair of black leggings from Fabletics that I wear all the time. So I don't really need these. But, and I mean, the pocket is kind of flimsy, and so I feel like my phone, if I was moving around, would just fall out. But here is the outfit in all my glory. But it does have a wider waistband than the rest of them. There's the length or the width of the waistband. All right, I'll go put my clothes on and we'll do a recap. The recap is pretty much gonna be short and sweet. I'm not gonna keep anything. I like the little bracelet. I think it's kind of cute, but the clasp, this is how the clasp would have to be, like on the side of your wrist here, and I would like it better if it was like if it was on the bottom. But if it was on the bottom, then it hugs my wrist here and it doesn't close all the way, and so I don't like this. I'm gonna throw that back in the bag. I probably might have kept this little tank to work out in had it been more like $20, but I don't want to pay $31 for it. So there's that. And then I already have really nice black leggings, so I don't want any more. And then these two, I just really don't feel like they'll hold up. If I was gonna like pay the $20 range, I would just pay the $25, or that's what it used to be, for the LuLaRoe leggings. And I do know that they wash well as long as you don't put them in the dryer. So I'm not keeping anything. That's the first time that I haven't kept anything from a Nadinenwest bag, and I'm kind of bummed about it. But that's the way the cookie crumbled this time around. So maybe next time will be better. If you think I am making a good decision, then put that down below. If you think I'm making a bad decision, put that down below too. If you think I should have kept some of these items. But that's that for today. If you are brand new to my channel, I want to say thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button on the way out the door. Also, give this video a big thumbs up or thumbs down, but I prefer this one. And I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway real soon. I am putting that together as we speak. All right, see you later. Bye.
Why don't you let yourself slip out of control?